Hey there, let's make hot cocoa. Here's what we need. 2 cups of cocoa powder, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. First, we're going to sift these ingredients together, and that means to shake them through a fine mesh screen to break up any clumps. That, I think, is the most fun part of this recipe. Here we go. Over a big bowl, you're going to add your cocoa. You can see there's some clumps in here. We got to shake it out. So gently move it back and forth to help break up those clumps. And then you can add your powdered sugar. We're going to do the same thing. You can tap it gently. You can see it comes through and it looks like snow. When it's snowing out, that's the time of the year I like to drink hot cocoa best. But it's a great treat all year long. And then last but not least, let's add our salt. There we go. We're going to tap, tap, tap until we've got all our ingredients sifted. You can see what that looks like. Try to keep it over the bowl so you don't make a mess. You can see we've got some clumps, and if you need to, use a spatula or clean fingers to break that up. All right, we're getting our last bits of sugar and cocoa through there. Perfect. We're going to set this aside, and now what we want to do is combine our ingredients together. To do that, we're going to use a whisk. So gently combine everything until it's not brown and white, but a nice uniform light brown color. We want to make sure we have the right amounts of cocoa and sugar and salt in every mug of cocoa we make. Almost there. You can use your spatula to scrape down anything in the edges of your bowl. And then combine it all together. Oh, made a little mess there. That's okay. It's okay to make messes when you cook, as long as you clean them up. I think we got it. Oh. Nope, I see some parts that need to be combined just a little more. Let's get our whisk and make sure we get all the way down to the bottom. I think we got it. Now, what you want to do is scoop this into a jar so you can put it in your cupboard so it's ready anytime you want to make a mug of hot chocolate. I like to use glass jars that have a nice tight lid. So carefully, you just want to scoop it in until you fill up your container. These are really fun to make and give away as gifts. Maybe to your grandparents or your teacher or your scout troop leader. I think those are all people who would enjoy getting something that you made yourself. Looks good. Let's pop the lid on. All right, we are ready to make a mug of cocoa. All right, we are ready to make a mug of cocoa. Here's what we need. We need the cocoa mix we made. We need some hot milk and anything you want to jazz up your cocoa. I've got some marshmallows here, but you could use whipped cream. You could even use ice cream. Pretty fun. All right, so we're gonna open our cocoa mix, and we need 1 tablespoon. So that's gonna be the biggest of your measuring spoons. And we'll measure it, kind of level it off. Put it right in our mug. Now, since the milk is hot, we need a grown-up's help to heat the milk for us. And one idea is to use a ladle with the hot milk to help avoid any splashes or burns. But the adults should put the milk into your mug. Ooh, it's looking good. Can you see the steam coming off of it? We need about 1 cup. And when it's mixing together, looking so good. This would be perfect. If you come in after playing outside in the snow, warm up, get rid of the chill. How many marshmallows do you think I should add? I think 2. 1 and 2. Smells good. All right, let's have a taste. Super chocolatey. Enjoy.